Hey friends, it's your favorite realtor in Kansas City, Jeremy Applebaum. Are you somebody that absolutely loves HGTV? Are you constantly thinking about all the different kinds of things you can do around your home? Do you know what this is and the difference between the two? Whether you do or you don't, YouTube has become a phenomenal place to find tips and tricks on ways you can improve your home. If you can't seem to pick the right shade of color off of HGTV, we've got the person that can help you. There's all kinds of wonderful things to do around your home, and I know that many of you are DIYers. We would love to help you determine if the project you have in mind will add value to your home and long-term satisfaction. Let us know if there's something you'd like to do and you don't have the right person to do it. We can help you with the budget and the vendor. Call us anytime, 913 961 1234.